Yeastar P-Series Software Edition can be installed on the Hetzner cloud platform using the Wget command. In this guide, you will learn how to set up a Hetzner virtual machine and deploy the Yeastar P-Series system from scratch. First, log into your Hetzner Cloud console. If you don't have an account, go to hetzner.com and register. Once inside the console, create a new project to manage your servers. Click New Project, enter a name, and confirm. Inside the project, click Create Server. Choose a location that is geographically close to your target users. Then, under Image, select Ubuntu. Yeastar recommends Ubuntu 20.04 or 24.04 for best compatibility. Next, choose your server type. For small deployments, a shared CPU is fine. For more demanding scenarios, go with a dedicated CPU. Choose your server specs based on the number of users and call concurrency you plan to support. For example, 2 virtual CPUs and 4 GB of RAM can support up to 50 extensions and 13 concurrent calls. Enable both public IP version 4 and IP version 6 networking. Leave additional options as default and assign a name to your server. Click Create and Buy Now to provision your server. After a short wait, your server will be ready. Open the Service Console from the Hetzner Cloud dashboard. Use the root credentials sent to your email to log in. The system will ask you to change the password on first login. Follow the prompt and update your root password. Now you're ready to install the PBX. Run the following command to download the Yeastar installation script. After it, make the script executable by typing chmod +x hetzner-install-pse.sh. Then start the installation. /hetzner-install-pse.sh. The script will automatically install the P-Series Software Edition. This process takes several minutes. Wait till you see IPPBX login prompt on the screen. That means the installation is complete. Now switch to your browser, type in the server's public IP version 4 address. You'll be redirected to the Yeastar PBX web interface. Go through the installation setup steps to configure your system. Set an admin password, choose your time zone, network settings, and activate the system with your license or trial. Once setup is done, you can start to configure extensions, trunks, call routing, and other PBX features. For future SSH access, use the support username and the password you set during the web configuration. This completes the installation of Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on Hetzner. Hope you guys will like it. Need more details? Visit yeastar.com and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.